Hello, welcome to the very latest update from the Met Office. As you probably know, it is very cold out there. Much of the UK experiencing the coldest air for a good 2 or 3 years. There's a strong wind as well, just exacerbating that cold, and it is bringing snow showers, mostly to the east, but not entirely in the east. There are 1 or 2 showers getting into western areas because the wind is so very strong. We do have warnings in place for the snow showers, and we have an amber warning across parts of central Scotland where there's the potential for power cuts and even some communities to be cut off. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. This is the satellite image showing the air coming in from the east and these streamers of cloud and showers on the radar. You can see there's bands of snow showers coming in, which means some locations are seeing shower after shower and the snow is really building up, whereas some places are not seeing much at all. Notice how some of the showers, because the wind is so strong, are getting into parts of Wales and across into Northern Ireland and some down across the far southwest. We're going to see maybe a bit more in the way of wet weather across the far west of Cornwall. There's a weather system in here. 1 or 2 showers certainly across the southwest, but the heaviest snow showers coming in across these eastern parts of England and Scotland. And we do have, as I say, an amber warning in place across parts of central Scotland down towards the southeast, where quite widely we're going to see 5 to 10 centimetres of snow through the course of Tuesday. 20 to 25 centimetres of snow is possible on some high ground. So the M8, the M80, not going to be very pleasant. Communities, as I said, could get cut off and some power disruption is likely. Some hazardous driving conditions here. The snow showers then will keep going through the afternoon down the eastern side, and we'll continue to see the odd flurry getting into the Midlands, maybe East Wales as well. And so there will be some wet weather in the far southwest parts of Cornwall and the odd wintry shower too across other parts of Devon and Cornwall. Very windy here. That's where the strongest winds are, but a significant wind chill wherever you are, particularly on the eastern side, with that cold wind coming in. Temperatures just about getting above freezing on the thermometer, but where there's snow lying on the ground, we may not even reach above 0. And when you add on that wind, well, it feels colder still. It feels more like -4 or -5 Celsius. So bitterly cold, and it's going to be another cold night tonight. We'll continue to feed snow showers in across the east. Things could turn icy as well. The amber warning in place across central Scotland until this evening. But a yellow warning still in place across parts of the east as the snow showers continue to feed in. Still pretty windy across the south and the east, but lighter winds perhaps across the northwest. It's going to be another very cold night. These are temperatures in towns and cities, but again, rural parts of northern England, minus double digits, maybe minus teens, and across parts of Scotland, where we could get down to -16 or -17 once more. Wednesday then, again, it's another day of showers, and again we have yellow warning in place across parts of the east, but the snow showers perhaps easing, certainly in eastern Scotland. The winds will be easing as well, which means the snow showers won't get as far inland. Much of the Midlands and much of western Britain looking dry with quite a bit of sunshine on Wednesday, and the winds, as I say, will be slightly easing as we go through the day, which means it won't feel quite as cold. Still notice bands of showers though across parts of the east, so again some locations here susceptible to a lot of snow falling through the day. And again, temperatures are going to struggle to get much above 2 or 3 degrees Celsius. As I say, the winds will be a little bit lighter, so the wind chill perhaps not quite as strong, but it will still feel sub-zero across the UK if you're out in that wind, which continues to ease as we go into Wednesday night, and the snow showers continue to start to fade as well. So a clearer night, and that could lead to some of the lowest temperatures we've seen for quite some time widely across the UK as we go into Thursday morning, an extensive and severe frost. And then later in the week, the potential for some wet weather to come in from the west. Quite a bit of uncertainty about the timing of that, and that's crucial as to whether we see the mild air winning and we see rain or snow. So that's something to watch later in the week, the potential for some wet weather and some wintry weather in the west. But the next few days, very cold, that bitterly wind though easing somewhat by the time we get to Thursday. Do keep up to date with the latest Met Office weather warnings. Best way to do that is to follow us on social media.